The markets are selling off a tiny bit on tariff news, and the mainstream media can't figure out. It's a bit of a head scratcher because if we look at this, ever since March, maybe February, we've been talking about tariffs. And as U.S. News reports here, economy enters the second half facing a tight Fed that won't budge even though the president's nudging. Trump's tariffs that are still an unknown and uncertainty, but the stock market is surging. Why, oh why are stocks surging while tariffs are still uncertain? Well, let me tell you why. Because the market's moved past tariffs, and you should too. If you haven't already, you're missing the boat. I mean, we covered it on the heels of the Liberation Day sell-off that the last thing you should be doing is selling. You should be backing up the truck and buying, which you'd be vindicated doing. But let's look at the underlying market fundamentals. And while U.S. News and World Reports is scratching their heads, this market's ripping and roaring higher because, look, this is the tariff rate. I mean, you don't have to even make sense of this. It looks like an EKG for your heart, right? I mean, it's up, down, up, down, up, down, tons of volatility. It's settling out right now at about an 8.7% effective tariff rate. That is not an insurmountable obstacle for companies to get over.